Hey everybody, welcome back to how to build a 105 thunderchief. 10 minutes at a time. Here we are, people. We're back in the shop. We went to our fly-in today. Got blowed out, man. 30 mile an hour. Wind out of the east. No good for flying. I didn't even fly anything, hardly anybody did. It was bad. So I came home and worked on the thunderchief. Redid the clay again. Put some more wax on it. Just sprayed my hardall on there. And it's about 12:30 at night. Now here's the plan. I'm going to put a coat of resin on this and set my alarm clock for about 3:30. I'm going to let this stuff sit about 3 hours, and I'm going to get up. I'm going to put another coat on it. I'm going to go back to bed. I'm going to get up at 6. I'm going to put another coat on it, and then we're going to play it by ear or whether I go back to bed or not. But I'm going to mix me up some resin. But this will give me a good jump on tomorrow. You know, this new method takes a lot longer because it takes more coats. So this will give me a jump on tomorrow, and I won't be working on it till 3 in the morning, sitting around there waiting for resin to dry. Now, the first couple coats take the longest to set up. After that, there's a little bit of heat build up, and it makes it go off a little bit quicker. But basically, let's go mix me up some resin. Oh, we're going to put that on there first. We'll need a bunch. Gonna mix up 400. Let's go with 500. 500 grams, and that would make it 125 grams of hardener. So 625. $25 on the money. Coming off a little bit cool, so my resin's a little bit thicker. But then it's going to heat up when it's going off, you know. So for just this first coat, we're going to try and get pretty thin. I sure like the way that canopy mold turned out, so we're going to give this a shot. I think I got my clay job about as good as I can get it. You know, see what I'm doing over here? Got my clay job about as good as I can get it. This is a biggie with this stuff, people. Got to mix it up good. Scraping the sides. They turned off kind of cold today. Hopefully I turn the heater on in there and get it a little warmed up. Okay. Had a couple questions. Someone asked me if I had any trouble with wax building up in them panel lights. And yeah, I did a little. But I just took this little thin screwdriver right here and scraped them right out. And I had to do it where, you know, I was working close to the clay. And It wasn't that big a deal. Now is when you're thinking, oh man, did I forget anything? Do I got it clayed up good enough? I'll tell you what though, my edges came out just perfect on that canopy mold, just perfect. So, this is how we're going to do this one. I picked up some wood. We're going to build a wood frame around this and we're going to make this a durable mold. The next week, people, we're going to lay us up fuselage. Oh, someone else asked me how I determine whether to split the mold on the top or on the sides. And really, what you got to do is look at your plastic model. Okay? See how they took theirs out of the mold. If they got theirs out, the reason is, how is it going to come out of the mold? You know, if I'd have laid this up with my seam on the side, it would have been impossible to get the mold apart. That's why how I decided to mold it like this. But basically, if there's any questions, look at your plastic model. And if they got theirs out of the mold, you got theirs out. You can get yours out. You know.